Look at life like it's so amazing. Half famous, but I knew the fame wouldn't change us. Low skies, what they call me, yeah, that's what my name is. And niggas still want beef, but where the fucking Angus? I'm peeping all the fake shit, I got my eyes open. They say I play for keeps like I got the winning token. My life fast, I'm outgoing, guess that's why I'm open. I'm single for a reason, fuck having my heart broken. I turn nothing to something, it's crazy how it goes. From same clothes to now I'm fucking the baddest hoes. From being lazy to now I'm focusing on my goals. From bad grades to finally making on a roll. I made my mom proud, it feels good. My chest hurt, guess I smoked too many backwoods. I'm trying to blow up, do an interview with Westwood. Until then I'm working hard because I know I should. Nigga, yeah, it's okay and it's alright. Yeah, I made my way and still I fight. Yeah, all the pain and all the lies. Yeah, I spread my wings and still I fly. Yeah, tell my mama, tell her, yeah, no bad vibes, no bad vibes. Yeah. No bad vibes. Look, fuck your feature, I don't need your clout. Cause to be honest, I'm the greatest thing coming out. I work hard when I say it, I don't have no doubts. I took chances when they told me we was in the drought. My little brother looks up to me, gotta be cautious. I brought the wave to you niggas, made you all nauseous. My dad got himself a girl, glad he doing well. Remember 6 years ago when he went through hell. As time's changing, my little sister is growing up. It hurts my heart knowing that I'm not around as much. Remember when she was little, was playing Barbies with her. Perfect Kodak moment, I wish I could paint the picture. But life's short, so I'm living mines day by day. I'm asking God to look over me, so that's why I pray. And people look at my tweets like, is that really you? Actions speak louder than words, and here's my fucking proof. Yeah, it's okay and it's alright. Yeah, spread my wings and still I fly. Yeah, all the pain and all the lies. Yeah, oh shit, I fucked it up. No bad vibes. yeah, whoa, no bad vibes. Yeah, all summer 16. Yeah, no bad vibes. Woo. Like, let's keep this shit like that. Yeah, like that for real.